Hello everyone, how are you? This is Mrs.Abeer and welcome to the teaching tips. Are you ready for a new tip today? Okay, today we're going to learn about another sound, okay? Another sound and how to pronounce it. Let's start. Okay, how do we teach and pronounce the following sound? How do we teach and pronounce the following sound? How do we teach this one? Okay, so there is a rule we learned last time. If you watch my previous video, we talked about a rule when two vowels come together. Do you remember? Excellent. When two vowels come together, we do something, okay? So this is a vowel and this is a vowel. This is the vowel e and this is the vowel a, okay? E and a. And what are their names? The name of this letter is E. And the name of this letter is A. But the sounds of these letters are e and a. Okay, perfect. Now, how do we pronounce this when it comes in a word as a one sound? When they come together, what happens? Why is this letter smiling and why this letter is sad? Yes, exactly. Because, as we said last time, when we have two vowels together, what do? We only pronounce the first one. We only pronounce this one. The first one. And the second one is not pronounced, okay? But how do we pronounce this one? By sound or by name? Excellent, by name. So this sound is what? This sound is called E. E. And the E is the name of this letter. So this sound is E. So whenever I find this together, okay, I will pronounce this sound as E. Okay, guys, let's see some examples. So we have S, E, T, seed. Excellent. Eat, eat. Very good. T, E, team. E, t, meat. Perfect. Perfect. So this sound is called E because whenever I have two vowels coming together, I pronounce the first one by its name. Perfect. I hope you enjoyed and you have benefited this tip, and I will see you next tip inshallah. Thank you so much for listening. See you next time inshallah. This was Miss Abeer. Thank you so much.